Hello, welcome to Math Focus. How to solve for A and B in this equation. We have A plus B is equal to 1. Then AB is equal to 1. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. Then here we have A plus B is equal to 1. Let us call this equation 1. And then AB is equal to 1. Let us call this equation 2. From equation 1, A plus B is equal to 1. B is equal to 1 minus A. Let us call this equation 3. Also from equation 2, AB is equal to 1. We can now substitute for B here, which is 1 minus A. This is A bracket 1 minus A is equal to 1. Let's open this bracket. A multiplied by 1. This is A. Then minus this A multiplied by A. That is A square is equal to 1. Now this can be written as A minus A square minus 1 is equal to 0. Now let's put this in standard form. We have minus A square plus A minus 1 is equal to 0. Let's divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. Then if you have this minus A square divided by minus 1, that will be A square, then plus A divided by minus 1. This is minus A. Minus 1 divided by minus 1. This is plus 1 is equal to 0. And of course, this is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. And a quadratic general formula is given as A is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC over 2A. And from this equation, A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 1, and then C is equal to 1. Then here we have A is equal to minus bracket minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 over 2 multiplied by 1. Then A is equal to minus times minus 1. This is 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 square. That is 1 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1. That is minus 4 over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. Then this is the same thing as 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 4. That is minus 3 over 2. A is equal to, this can be written as 1 plus or minus square root of minus 3 is 3 multiplied by minus 1, then over 2. But square root of minus 1 is equal to I. Then we have A is equal to 1 plus or minus I root 3 over 2. Therefore, A1 is equal to 1 plus I root 3 over 2, and A2 is equal to 1 minus I root 3 over 2. This is the final answer for A. We've got the value of A. Let us solve for B. To solve for B, from equation 3, b is equal to 1 minus a, then b1 is equal to 1 minus a1 is 1 plus I root 3 over 2, or b2 is equal to 1 minus 1 minus I root 3 over 2. b1 is equal to, here this is over 1, the LCM is 2. We have 1 into 2 times 1, that is 2 minus 1 plus I root 3. Then here b2 is equal to, this is over 1 as well. We have 2 minus bracket 1 minus I root 3, then over 2. Then here we have b1 is equal to 2. If you open the bracket with this negative, we have minus 1 minus I root 3 over 2, and b1 is equal to 2 minus 1. This is 1 minus I root 3 over 2. This is the value of b1. Also here, we have b2 is equal to 2. If you open the bracket with this negative, we have minus 1 plus I root 3 over 2. Then b2 is equal to 2 minus 1. This is 1 plus I root 3 over 2. This is the value of b2. Therefore, our final answer are a1, b1 is equal to 1 plus I root 3 over 2, 1 minus I root 3 over 2. Also, a2, b2, this is equal to 1 minus I root 3 over 2, 1 plus I root 3 over 2. Then here, you can see that the value of a1 here is equal to the value of b2 here, and the value of b1 here is equal to the value of a2 here. Then we may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation. A plus b is equal to 1. AB is equal to 1. Now, let's make use of either A1, B1 or A2, B2, but I'm going to make use of this A1, B1. Let's consider this. A plus B, this is the same thing as 1 plus I root 3 over 2 plus 1 minus I root 3 over 2. Then must be equal to 1. The LCM here is 2. Then we have 1 plus I root 3 plus 1 minus I root 3 must be equal to 1. This cancel this. Here we have 1 plus 1 over 2 must be equal to 1. Therefore, 1 plus 1, this is 2 over 2 must be equal to 1. Then 1 here, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 1. Therefore, the left-hand side, 1 is equal to 1, which is true. Now, let's consider this. AB is equal, this is the same thing as 1 plus I root 3 over 2 multiply by 1 minus I root 3 over 2 must be equal to 1. Then here 1 times 1, that is 1. 1 times minus I root 3, this is minus I root 3. I root 3 multiplied by 1, this is plus I root 3. I root 3 multiplied by minus I root 3, this is minus I square multiplied by root 3 or square over 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4, must be equal to 1. This cancel this. We have 1 minus I square, then this cancel this, multiply by 3 over 4 must be equal to 1. But I square is equal to minus 1. Then we have 1 minus bracket minus 1 multiplied by 3 over 4 must be equal to 1. This is same thing as 1 minus times minus 1, that is plus 1 times 3, that is plus 3 over 4 must be equal to 1. Then 1 plus 3, this is 4 over 4 must be equal to 1. 4 here 1, 4 here 1. Therefore, we have 1 is equal to 1, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.